From News Channel 7, time for 7 First Alert weather.
Well, I was talking about a little while ago about how dry it is, and even up in the mountains, how we're starting to lose snow melt. You can take a look at our latest satellite. We've got clear skies over the northwest, so nothing to brag about in storms. The next one coming along the west coast, Canada may get some showers out of this, but you can just take a look at that, and you can see that it's not very well developed and not concentrated with the showers there. So in the meantime, we still have mild conditions, but nothing like the weekend, where those temperatures were in the 70s. But it was pretty close today. 68 in Boise, 66 degrees, the high in Mountain Home, and then you can see Twin Falls with 61 degrees for the high temperature there. Winds are still blowing. As you notice, they're northwest. They're blowing pretty well at 23 miles an hour, 16 miles an hour in Caldwell. There's Boise with the 23, 30 miles an hour Mountain Home, and 22 miles an hour in Twin Falls. They're going to start to die down between about 8 to 9 o'clock this evening, okay? But they're going to continue blowing for a bit. And tomorrow, after they die down, you'll see they'll pick up a bit. Tolerable till late afternoon and into the evening. Once again, we could see some of those gusty winds, but not blowing all day like they started at about 11 o'clock this morning. So that's the difference. And for your evening, even though we have the wind, the temperatures are in the 60s for tonight. You can see the windy conditions about 9. We dropped that. And then tomorrow morning, we're going to be down to somewhere around 40 degrees, and we're going to be seeing some clear conditions overnight. Now, when you look at our futurecast, I was just showing you a while ago, we don't have much moisture. And as we look at this, all it's going to be showing us is some high clouds moving through. Some scattered showers, though, as you can see later tomorrow afternoon, just so that you know that. And that's why we have the wind, is because we have these little light showers around the area, also some showers in the Owyhee Mountains. So the density differences in the air will cause the winds throughout the valley with that. But it doesn't appear that we're going to see a shower. If you happen to see a little sprinkle, I can't even guarantee that, but if you do somewhere in the valley later tomorrow, that possibility exists. Twin Falls with 60 degrees, you see 62 degrees for Shoshone. Tomorrow, 50s will be in most of those mountain locations. That's melting snow temperatures as you look at Haley with 57, especially in those basins. McCall with 47, 51 in Donnelly. At least it's getting cold at night with temperatures down into the 20s. And then tomorrow's highs close to today, but as you see, they're going to be in the mid 60s. As you look at Boise tomorrow, 62 degrees. Kuna with 62 degrees. Most of our lows tonight will be the upper 30s to right around 40 degrees. We could be dealing with some wind chill in the morning. Into the mid 30s, though, just because of the light winds that'll kind of start picking up, especially later tomorrow afternoon. So speaking of tomorrow afternoon, 62 degrees for the high. Thursday will be 55, 59 degrees for Friday. The temperature is coming down a bit, 62 degrees for Saturday, so that's good news for mountain locations. But if you look next week, our temperatures start to rise a little bit. Well, they still stay the same through Tuesday, but all the indications I have toward the end of next week, we could be back into those 60s to near 70 degrees again.